Do you want bread, boss? It's bread, you know.
Alright everyone, so look, so basically what's happening now, so the soup, everything's in there right now, and we're just waiting for the pot to bubble up and cook, and we're just gonna start feeding up the people here. Our good vibes. Big up yourself.
Jeez.
Thank you to everyone that's been there. You understand? Remember, like, we're on a marathon right now, all the way up until Christmas. Giving back to the community, giving back to the homeless, and you know, say it has to always be good food, organic, root vegetables, fresh ingredients, you know, carrot, ginger, garlic, scallion, you know the full works have to be inside of the pot. Today we've got green banana, plantain, ripe plantain, look, big old pumpkin, yassa. We've got string beans, yassa. We've got carrots, we've got peppers, yeah man, we've got red peas in there. Everything will go on inside of the pot. We've got coconut milk in there as well, you understand, to add off to the flavour. And we've also got yam in there as well, you know.
The yam there.
Yeah man, and red onion them cut up in there. Thyme, scallion in there in a fin. Yeah man, Ringo Vision all-purpose seasoning I go in there right now, you know.
Whoa.
Yeah man, good vibes. See that's the thyme that's boiled out. You can see that? The thyme's boiled out into the pot. Ron, thank you very much.
No trouble, my man. I like to help people.
Thank you, Ron.
Show
everyone what Ron just gave us.
Ron just gave us a look, you know. Some.
Let's show what Ron's doing.
Wow, look at that. Fresh in. Yes, everybody, wagwan, big up yourself. Welcome to 24-hour kitchen, everybody. All right, you're joined with me. I'm Ringo Vision, everybody. So
Come on.
Today we're cooking some food on the high street of Croydon. They say that this is one of the rarest communities here in South London, but we've come here to embrace some love back into the community. We've got a red pea soup with corn, we've got pumpkin, we've got yam, we've got sweet potato, we've got green banana, cho-cho. We've got the whole works people here to create an amazing, delicious soup for you today. A good vibe. Stay tuned with this episode here, because we're cooking for what?
The homeless.
All right.
Our good vibes.
Look at that.
Let's show them. Ringo on a mission.
So what's happening right now, yeah? I ain't seen inside the pumpkin, but I'm expecting, yeah, to get a nice red pumpkin here.
Okay. Cheese. Smells nice. Smells fresh. Smells proper fresh.
Proper fresh, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. So what we're gonna do, yeah, we're gonna add some of this pumpkin into the pot.
That's it. Cutting them up now, yeah.
Yeah. What I'll do, yeah, because this pumpkin's got a very tough skin.
You have to take out the middle bit as well, isn't
Yeah,
it?
but you see the way I'm paring it now?
Yeah.
Like a melon.
Yes.
Yeah, just and then it's easier for me to work with.
That's right.
Yeah.
Hello. How are you? What's going on? You met Ringo, innit?
Yes, briefly the other day.
Okay.
Yes, everyone. So what I'm doing right now, yeah, is just cutting up the pumpkin, and then I'm just gonna give it a little wash, yeah, friend, yeah.
Yeah.
And then literally, yeah, I'm just gonna wash it because you see, pumpkin, yeah, it's got a lot of nutrients in the skin.
Okay.
So I'm not really gonna remove all the skin from the pumpkin.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave some of the pumpkin skin on there, but I'm gonna take some of the pumpkin skin off still.
Okay.
And then what I'm gonna do is just gonna bust them in half like that.
Yeah.
Simple things. When I bust them in half, are good vibes. So when I'm talking, yeah, I'm talking to everyone at the same time, yeah. So thank you everybody that's been on the journey with us so far, that's been supporting the movement. We're here in Croydon on the high street.
Alright.
Look, Dante's just come and got me some. Let me wash this off, Dante. Rinse this off. I'm gonna rinse it off in the bag just to save like mess as well. Yeah, that's it. Calm. Man, friend. Proper yard man thing we're dealing with out here.
Come on.
Only yard man can do them thing here. Nice one. And look here now. So what we're gonna do now, yeah, is just drop everything in the pot. Bam. And what this is gonna do, yeah, this is gonna boil out, and this is gonna add towards our colour that we're looking for today, our good vibes. And what I'm gonna add in the pot from earlier as well, friend, yeah, is a cho-cho.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna cut up some cho-cho.
Yeah. Like easily kill the cho-cho. Yes, everyone, this is a cho-cho. Cho-cho is like a water base, and it absorbs the whatever flavor it goes into. Yeah, the cho-cho absorbs that. So good vibes.
Jeez, look at the color already in the soup. In the peas.
Yeah, we've got a nice combination of colours so far. Because the pumpkin's got a nice red colour. Let me give it a little stir then, yeah. And we've got the chocho's got one colour. And then the corn's got one colour. Remember there's corn in there already boiling, you know? Alright. So what we're gonna add now as well, friend, yeah, is some carrot. And some red onion.
Ah, good vibes.
Good vibes, alright?
Yes.
You know the magic rinsing bowl?
The thing that wash up, you get me? Hygiene's the most important thing. Always washing your vegetables, washing your fruits. Look, yeah, alkaline. Alkaline.
We're cooking with alkaline, and we're washing with alkaline.
Ah, good
We're
vibes.
eating alkaline. You see it?
Ital vibes.
Ital vibes, nothing. Red onion, this, you know, people, yeah? You know, say red onion is good for you. And if you know it's good for you, you stay tuned until the end. A good vibes.
Good vibes.
See this here, this will just eventually boil out. And this, and also because it's red onion as well, we'll add to that. Everything will add to the combination of colour that we're looking for, that redness. It's all about the redness in the pot, people, yeah? And the peas is initially giving us that greatness that we're looking for in colour. So look at this now. So as you can see that we've got quite a lot of peas in this pot, friend. Because this time here we're making sure that it's a pea soup. You get me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, proper pea soup, this one, friend, yeah? And then look, you see the garlic from earlier? That's garlic. I put it in there all together. So you see what's happening now, yeah?
Yeah.
It's just mash out, friend, yeah? You can, because when you're boiling peas, yeah, you can left the garlic in there from earlier. Just make it just go and do its thing.
Yeah.
And this is flavour. You get me? So you see the next thing I'm gonna add now?
Some red pepper, yeah?
Yeah, the red pepper. Bare redness, man, adding to the pot, friend. Man got the sweet potato as well. Man got the right planting as well. Yeah, man, have good vibes. Alright, so Fen, tell the people them where they can catch you, you know.
So catch me on YouTube, on the Table Time podcast. You know what I mean? My YouTube's called Real Fend, and yeah, basically I go around. I'm a YouTuber. I go around interviewing people on the streets, the public. Also got my own podcast, and yeah, I'm a musician. New song out soon. We say new tune out soon, yeah.
New song out soon, everyone. Yeah. Artwork got completed today, yeah.
Alright.
So yeah, man, look out for the new tune, everybody. Yeah, good vibes.
My turn, yeah.
Our turn right now.
Our turn right now.
Yeah, look, you can.
On the way, y'all, mate. Where are y'all?
And on the sunlight, where yeah, alright. Yeah, we cook some food for you, family. Not true?
I love that.
Yeah. I man, a good vibe.
Thumbs up, yeah?
Thumbs up. Big up, mommy.
People have to eat, you know.
No more sleep.
Can't,
What?
yeah. I don't know every time them can't pay for it, so we have to all the time just give. Yeah, I see an iPad. Let me show you an iPad car. Make you know it's a serious thing not going out or something. Yeah, proper things are going on.
Proper things. I love that. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, mommy. One love, yeah.
Now, what we need to do now, we need to go back into the magic wash basin.
You see the wash basin, the sink, yeah?
Don't bad man, no. Only a yard man I do this on the roadside, you know. Wash bag.
We have the wash bag ready.
But you see you in the high street, yeah, they're gonna chat rubbish and say, yeah, you're wetting up the high street.
That's right, you're making
up
mess
bare
on the floor.
mess, littering, all sorts. We're standing right next to the bin.
Yeah.
They're dead.
Them dead? Them dead?
Come and rinse off this as well, this one.
Ready, yeah?
Yeah.
Too much. Good, yeah?
Good vibes.
For everyone, yeah, announcement, yeah, we've got a new release of a new song coming out, yeah.
Yep.
And it's called My Turn, yeah. The World Never Stops Spinning.
Ah.
So featuring myself, Fend, because he's an artist.
That's right.
I'm a chef, and they're bringing me through. You get me?
Get me.
They just drag me in the thing. Just
Come
like
on.
that, yeah. So we've got Fend, we've got myself, we've got Bass, and we've got M.R people, yeah. What a combination.
Jeez.
Remember when Big L and
What was it with
Deadly Combination?
Yes, yeah. Big was it Big L?
Biggie and Tupac.
Tupac, yeah. Was it that one? Was him and Puck? Big L and Puck.
Yeah, Thingy came in one as well.
And I remember
50 Cent tried to come with something as well, but
Yeah.
guess what? This is the combination of the year, people. Yeah.
Ah.
You're not gonna get a better combination than this in music for the rest of 2024. Yeah, we found the formula. I like
come
it.
on, bro. We got the formula.
We've got a chef on the track.
Jeez.
We've got a musician on the track. We've got a meme on the track. Nah, because that's the reality.
Facts.
It's not a joke.
It's not a joke. It's
And
not a
we've got a
joke.
musician on the track.
Yeah.
And then we've got a next artist on the track.
Yes.
It's not a joke, people.
Yeah.
So look out for this one, yeah. I've got vibes.
Good vibes.
All right, everyone. So look, so basically what's happening now, so the soup, everything's in there right now, and we're just waiting for the pot to bubble up and cook, and we're just gonna start feeding up the people, yeah. Our good vibes. Big up yourself.
Cheers.
Thank you to everyone that's been there. You understand? Remember, like, we're on a marathon right now, all the way up until Christmas, giving back to the community, giving back to the homeless, and say it has to always be good food, organic, root vegetables, fresh ingredients, carrot, ginger, garlic, scallion, the full works have to be inside of the pot. Today we got green banana, planting, ripe planting, look, big old pumpkin, yassa. We got string beans, yassa. We got carrots, we got peppers, yeah man, we got red peas in there. Everything I go on inside of the pot. We got coconut milk in there as well, you understand, to add off to the flavour. And we also got yam in there as well,
The yam there.
Yeah man, and red onion them cut up in there. Thyme, scallion in there in a fen. Yeah man, Ringo Vision all-purpose seasoning I go in there right now, Yeah man, a good vibes. See that's the thyme that's boiled out. You can see that? The thyme's boiled out into the pot. A good vibes, bare essence, yeah, so. That is it, everybody, yeah.
Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Power, release stress. Ringo feed the homeless. Ringo Vision on a mission.
So that is it. Ben is just checking in on the pot quickly. A good vibes, giving it a little stir.
Don't want the
So yes, this is Craig. This is the end. He's trying to cook the food right now.
Sorry, the podcast, man. Sorry,
He's trying to cook the
sorry to
food.
ruin this. I'm telling you. You're on the camera, sorry.
So yeah, man, we're just gonna start sharing now. Our good vibes. Come this side, please, Poppy. Poppy, come this side, please. This one.
Alright. So now we're in the pea soup.
Now don't take it. Come this side, please.
Boss, you want some corn in it, yeah? You want corn, yeah? Thank you.
A good vibe. So we're just here now. Yeah, that's confident. Yeah.
God bless you, my brother. Thank you as well, yeah?
Yes, big man, respect. So what we're doing right now, we're just sharing up the soup from earlier today, and we just cooked. Yeah, that's it. Just break it.
Yeah, the pumpkin.
Put this cup over it, friend, yeah, so that it doesn't.
Like that, yeah?
Yeah, a good vibe.
Like
yeah.
so?
Yeah, and then yeah.
You want corn, big man, yeah?
No, you're gonna overfill. You can come back for the next cup.
It's good. Everyone tap that screen, hashtag FYP the store. We got Ringo Vision.
Yeah, very tasty meal. Fantastic. Well cooked.
Bless.
Nice one, yeah.
So, boss, can you just tell the people that's watching right now, what you think about the food and what they can also do
Yeah.
in the sense of helping and giving back to the community as well.
Okay. Well, I will let the people know that what you're doing here seems to be something of external thanksgiving, I would say, to the homeless people around. And I would want people to actually donate or give their widow's mite to the cause. Because without this, I wonder how these homeless individuals and their chitlins will be able to feed. So please, people out there, do what you can. He comes in almost every day. You watch his videos, try and make your contributions. Your widow's mite will be fantastic. It will come a long way. Thank you very much, people. I really appreciate this gesture. You take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Have a nice night.
Thank you. Thank you.
What are you saying? We're too big on the cut.
Yeah, go on. Good vibes, a good vibes. Feed the homeless.
Slowly learn, innit? Thank you, brother. God bless you. Thank you, bro.
Don't know, gang shit. Yeah, the homeless.
English. Who made it?
Chef here, Ringo Vision. Like, with his power bank, he would use.
Dublin Street
Just plug it out, though.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you, my darling.
No,
So it's spicy, God bless you.
There's some pita bread there as well, somewhere.
Yeah, there's some pita bread
Do
here.
you want pita bread?
No, thank you.
Sure, yeah.
You sure you
Plain
don't
or
want
original?
Do you want a juice? There's some ginger ale on that as well.
Yes,
if you
please,
want.
come
Yeah?
some ginger ale.
Yeah.
This has to be diluted.
No, it don't. It's fizzy.
Fizzy.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, mate. God bless you, thank you. You're going to have loads of people up there, you know, to come over as well.
We're going right now.
We're going there right now.
Yeah.
We're going on the back on food right now.
Thank you very much, yeah.
Katrina, thank you. Then Lisa, thank you.
Ready, Ben?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, everyone. So, yes, we'll come up here by Queen's Park. We're going to hand out the rest of the soup that we've got here to everyone else that's here. Our good vibes.
There's some pita bread there. I'm from some bread, Ringo.
You want some bread?
That's it. The people them ready to eat. Good vibes. Good vibes, Ringo.
Yes, everyone, you can support the movement. You know my details there on the community. Our good vibes. Pick up those of you that's been on the journey with us so far.
Do you want bread, boss? There's bread, you know.
Friend, our good vibes, you know.
A good vibes, man. Big up my brother. People, how's the soup tasting so far? How's it tasting, the ones that's had it? You don't eat now. Boss, how's the soup tasting? Proper, yeah.
Some stew chicken, thanks. I had some stew chicken, the brothers and the other day with yeah, man. Get the blessing, you know. Big blessing from the brother.
Taste it. You get a reaction.
Yeah, big blessings, innit? Big blessings
No,
to
no.
the man.
The
Oh, reaction from the soup?
Yeah.
It's good, man. It's good. 10 out of 10, man. Good.
Yes, friend. So, yeah, man, big up the team that come out with me today.
Come on.
I understand we're all outside today.
Team
Big up
strong,
them.
fam.
Our good vibes, friend. Big up yourself as well.
Come on. Big me up, blood.
Big up Croydon FM. outside with us on the mission.
Big up Tricks as well, Further FM as well. Yeah.
Let's go over there and just see if we can catch some more people.
One love, my brother, yeah? Blessings always, yeah? Blessings.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, good vibes. Yeah. You can just go back down towards the high street. Yeah, man, it's good. Everyone, plus there's some people out here giving out some snacks as well.
Big up, big up. One love, good vibes.
Alright, let's do that.
Share
it out, man.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Pressure. I can't do it the Ringo way, but I'll do it my way.
Can't do the ball.
Yeah?
Live up the camera. Live up the camera.
The thing's leaking, brother.
What one?
That's not a fresh one.
This is a fresh one, brother. Look, this is that's not. Hey, that's.
I'll go with all. Yeah. Yeah, you want sweet corn?
Yes, please.
Don't sleep. You're gonna spill your drink, bro.
Listen, where's the pressure? Enjoy that, yeah? Big up Ringo Vision.
Every time, you know,
This is him. This is him.
Thank you, Ringo.
Say it me.
That's
This is
what
him.
everyone.
Yo, Ringo. Are good vibes.
This is the guy, man.
All the men have to take turns and just share out a soup. So Wax is doing his turn, sharing out. Yep, share out a food.
Thank you.
Good vibes. Full him up, Wax.
Pull him up, man. That's what I put it for you.
He's pulling his people there. Big word for that. Sense of humor.
Yo.
Yeah? There you go, my brother.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
This is not food, yeah? Fill him up a bit more. Pause.
What's wrong with this brother?
Hello, Ringo. You take over.
No, come. I'm going to do this one as well. You're doing a good job, Raps.
Dennis Brown.
That's a male, innit? Males.
Yeah, man. Love.
Males and Canadian. Shut the fuck up.
Yo, excuse me. I have to put a bit more water in that.
I only have
This is my tune. Here I come. You don't want it?
No, I want to drink that.
Hey. What? Surely goodness and mercy shall follow. Mad. Big shit.
Do you want one? You want it or not?
Yeah.
That's enough.
What I don't say. Don't want it.
Don't want it now.
Yes, today's been an absolutely good day. Big up yourself, sis. Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, it's been a good day today. Yeah, man, so complete the mission. Hot empty. That is it, a good vibes. Big up yourself, everybody. Yeah, man. Bubbler was here, you know. If you've been on the channel, yeah, you guys would have remembered Bubbler from last year. We was in the forest. You remember Bubbler from last year? Come on, come to Creighton. What do you say, Fen?
Come on, man. It's been a productive day. Proactive. Fed the people today.
Come on.
So I'm saying, so I'm just going to go and clean up the pots now. So yeah, man. The mission's complete.
For the ranking. Mission complete, innit? Right. Wagwan. A good vibes, a good vibes, a good vibes, a good vibes. That is it, people. How are you going? Yeah. A good vibes. Just come on for a mission now and feed the homeless, man. Just finish the mission and feed the homeless, man. Yeah. I go wash up some pack quickly. You're on the corner. Alright? Yeah? Alright, yeah. Yes, people. Poppy stick now, wash up them patch, I know. Eh? Yeah. A good vibes. Yeah, 5 man in there, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, come through. That is it, people. You don't know, say, yeah, this is the home time right now. You understand?
Home time, Ringo.
See?
It's time to go home now. We've had a good day, good vibes. We fed the people.
Big up everybody. Thank you, everyone. Big up friends.
Am my turn yet?
Yeah, listen. My turn.
The well never top spin.
Clock never top spin.
Step on the roll like chin.
Alright, people, you don't know what I want.
Tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend.
Hey, big up the team, man. Big up the whole team. You get me? One vision.
Yeah, man.